The DWVO LED Tube Headlights assembly is an impressive upgrade for 2002 to 2005 Dodge Ram models, including the 1500, 2500, and 3500. Designed to enhance both aesthetics and functionality, this product features a sleek smoke lens that not only gives your truck a modern appearance but also effectively improves visibility during nighttime driving conditions. The premium quality of these headlights is evident upon unboxing. Weighing in at 13.23 pounds, they feel robust and durable, which is crucial for a component exposed to the elements. With dimensions of 21.65 by 21.06 by 9.65 inches, they fit seamlessly into the specified models, requiring no additional assembly, simply a direct fit that saves time and effort during installation. One of the standout features is the lens material, crafted from polycarbonate, which stands up to the rigors of daily use and resists yellowing over time. The combination of the LED lighting technology with a polished exterior enhances brightness while being